Hi everyone, welcome to IPT Solution. Today in this video we are going to see how we can change a app icon in React Native. So as you know, by default React Native provide a very decent application icon and we all need to change according to our business needs. So in this video we are going to see the one of the best to best and simple to simple method how we can change the React app icons. So now go back to your file manager and locate to the path where you have downloaded your image. So as you can see, I'm in the download folder, and what I want to I will show you first. This is the image which I want to change in my app icon. So make sure that your image should be in high to high pixel as much as it can be. It's well and good. So my is around 2000 into 2000 pixel, and it's around 1.4 MB. So this is my image. So what I want, just I will copy this image and I will come to the root directory of my project. So now I will as you can see, this is my root directory of my project in React Native. Now what I want, I will go to the assets or an images, any folder, and I will paste that here. Okay, as you can see, I have pasted that image here, and what I will do right now, I will copy the path of this uh, basically of this image. Now what I will do, I will close it from file manager and I will come back to my uh, basically you can say React Native app. I will come back to my React Native app and I will open here my terminal. Make sure you are in the root directory of your project. You are not inside any Android or any other folder. I am in a root directory. So now what you need to do is you need to run one command, and that is npx icon minus set minus creator space create, and you need to paste that path. Now make sure that your path should not okay, let's modify this path according to the working way. Okay, now we are in the images directory. So what we will do, okay, now this is the actual thing which we need to do. As you can see the command also on the screen, npx icon minus set minus creator space create space dot slash images slash demo dot png, which is basically here demo dot png, correct? Now we will hit enter and it will start uh, basically changing our app icon. We need to wait for a while and it will finish within a minute, and our app icon is successfully changed. So let's wait for a while, and this is one of the simplest way. We are not required to change it in different styles, different sizes. This command will automatically handle everything which is required to implement the app icon to be changed. So wait, it will change within a minutes. Let's wait. Okay, so now you can see our command has successfully changed the app icon, and you can see the successfully generated icon message also. And this is how we can change our app icon in React Native. That's all guys, thank you.